Now, the Steam Deck has sort of changed gaming forever. It's really brought a way to play both PC and console games on a handheld like we've never seen. And you might be wondering if it can handle any game. And the good news is that it can run most games fine and near to perfection. But buying a deck, you're usually thinking to yourself, are there certain games that make worth grabbing this thing? And the answer is absolutely. In total, the Steam Store has thousands of games, some of which are verified to work on the deck, and then some that aren't. Keep in mind, a lot of the games that come up as unverified still work fine on it. But after spending thousands of dollars on some of the most popular titles, I've come up with 3 games that would make it worth buying, at least initially. And those games are, the Tekken Fighting series, any number of the Call of Duty games, and a personal favorite first-person shooter, RoboCop, which is flown under the radar, but it's easily one of the best first-person shooters on this handheld. And the reason these games, make it worth getting a deck is because you can spend countless hours playing each one. With Call of Duty, you can play the multiplayer or zombies over and over, and the Tekken, series has storylines and multiplayer as well. And RoboCop, well, it's just an awesome game. Next, I'd like to do a little gameplay in each one of these for you guys, because they're all incredible. I'm going to start things off with Call of Duty, then RoboCop, and finish things up with Tekken 8. Of course, if you'd like to learn more about the deck, there will be some resources for it directly below in the description. You could also get on our Steam newsletter, where we send out 1 to 2 emails a week on updates, new releases, and reviews as well. Don't forget to tap that like, and let's get into some of this gameplay.
It'll take us up to the hangar. Clear out the NRC so we can get topside.
Now, before we get more into this, I wanted to recommend you guys check out Ignition Poker. I think most of us enjoy playing poker in our free time, and this is a great place to do just that. I've currently been playing on Ignition for the last 7 years and regularly tear things up at the mid-stake games. They've got amazing software for playing on your phone or PC and also offer you the ability to play both free and real money games. And with lots of cash games running 24 hours a day and millions of dollars in monthly tournament prizes, you should be asking yourself, what am I doing here? I need to check out Ignition Poker ASAP. Of course, if you guys would like to learn more about them, there will be some bonus and resource links for them directly below in the description of this video.
新製品食べさせてもらおう
Round 1. Fight. Round 2. Round 1. Fight. Round 2. Fight.